Let's go, Buffalo!
Beautiful dreamer, awaken to me.
Go Bills, baby, let's go!
Woo! Drops away.
Go Bills, baby! Woo! They got nothing! Go Bills, baby!
Willow clouds of sorrow.
Let's go, Buffalo!
Dreamer, awaken to
This is how we do it. We taking home that W tonight. You know what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby. Buffalo! Let's go! Let's go!
Welcome to Orchard Park, New York. It's Buffalo. It feels like December in Buffalo. Cold and windy.
Dominican Republic, man. Looking for a big running game tonight, big wind.
Go, fellas.
We've come to establish dominance over the AFC East division. We're walking away with the #1 slot. Doesn't matter the temperature. It's time to go home, take the #1 seed.
Bills by a billion.
Bills by a billion! Bills by a billion! Hey, we were all chosen for a game like this. We were all brought here for a game like this. Hell, we choose to come back to this team for a game like this.
Stretched head up, and dropped it. Fumble. Take away for New England.
Hey, that's a way to start this. Nice job, nice job, nice job.
Hey, good job, Kyle, here on the edge. They're trying to test the edge. They're going to keep pushing it. It's a hard edge all game.
Physical football we got now. We got to play with great technique and fundamentals. Win the entry point, finish like hell, man.
Toss comes to the near side for Harris. He runs through a big hole, and he's gone to the 50. A burst to the 40. Alone to the 20. Damien Harris to the house. Touchdown, Patriots.
You stay with the run game.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
They're going to go for two. They line up with Bolden in the backfield. Tosses it left for Bolden. Brandon with a run to the outside. He tiptoes to the end zone. He's in for a 2-point conversion.
Let's keep it going now. Let's keep it going now. Keep it going now. Keep it going now. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Jones drops back and gives to Stevenson, runs to the right. He's got a crease across the 25, breaks a clothesline tackle and to the Buffalo 20. Snap by Cardona from the left hash, in place. The kick, a line drive, headed to the uprights is good. His 33rd field goal, a league high. Bass in the stance, the snap in place, the kick is lifted to the uprights, and the kick is no good!
Quarterback's trying to make a play. We end up getting him on the second time around. Just be disciplined.
Takes the snap. Patriots come with extra rushers. A throw down the middle, and it's knocked incomplete by Miles Bryant.
This team isn't about, one person, isn't about egos, it's about winning.
Good job, baby.